In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for reinstalling your vehicle's tire onto the spindle and snugging of the lug nuts. What I do is just take and roll the tire into position and take and slip it up onto the 5 studs. Right like so. Take and hold it on and begin starting my lug nuts. Once you have all 5 started, you can go ahead and snug them down, and you're going to want to use the star pattern. Take and snug it up right there. There's 1. Pop over here. 2. And right over here. 3. And for the 4th. 4. And for the 5th. I want you guys to notice the pattern that I used. It's called the star pattern. And we started here. We went from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. Essentially drawing a 5-pointed star with our snugging procedure. And what that'll do is take and ensure that the wheel is snugged down flat and true to the spindle assembly, eliminating any possible sources of vibration or the wheel actually coming off. That's the proper service procedure for installing the wheel to the hub assembly and snugging of your lug nuts.